Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. How are you?
We are doing pretty good.
We are.
Still raining quite a bit.
Today was a beautiful day, though.
Yeah, it was good today, but yesterday was it's supposed to be even more next week.
Really?
So, fun.
Yeah, it was like 75 today. It was beautiful out. It was sunny. Mm-hmm. But it's been pouring all week, so the sun was much needed. So, if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I am Jessica.
And I am Sean.
Sean.
This is Mom. This is Son.
Mom and Son. It is so good to meet you. We are excited you're here to hang out with us for a little bit. Mm-hmm. If you're not new here, then thanks for coming back. Yeah. We appreciate you coming back to hang out with us. Yeah. And we love you. So, what do we have today?
We have thebox by Fashionsta.
Fashionsta.
It's
$25.
25 and they pick a bunch of like products for you, and this is the men's one. I know there is
I get the women's one, which is I pay $19.99, but the price did go up to $25. This one is I pay $25, but I think it went up to $30. So
but it's really good stuff.
Yes, this is the men's box that I get for my son.
And here's a little card. It has some information about the stuff on the back of it. There isn't any prices.
There are no prices.
There are no prices.
But they guarantee a value of over $100.
Which is great.
Yes, very good. And their outlook on it is quality over quantity. So they put quality products in. And like I said, the value is over $100. So what's the first thing you pulled out?
First thing we have Real Aftershave Balm, which I use sometimes, not often.
And it's by Real?
By Real. And it smells like eczema cream.
Mm. Is there a seal on it?
Yeah, but for some reason we just smell it through the seal.
Yeah, there's a weird, there's a seal on it, but...
Smell it.
I can't smell it. Where's my scissors? Let's see if I can open it with the scissors. Oh, here we go.
There you go.
Mmm.
Yeah, it's like eczema cream.
So it's nice and thick. Here. Aftershave. Hold on. Put it on. Ooh, that feels good.
Ooh.
Here.
It's like butter, which is...
No, that smells good.
It smells like eczema cream.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does. Like a minty eczema cream.
It smells manly.
It smells like a minty
I
eczema
think it
cream.
smells manly.
Alright, next we have Marlowe deodorant with coconut oil.
Mmm.
It smells like pine.
Oh, yeah, that smells good.
Yeah, it's good. It's like minty.
You can always use deodorant.
Yeah, they can never get enough. Alright, next we have Master USA. There's nothing that says anything on the box.
Hold it.
Ask your local knife retailer for other fine Master USA knives.
It's a knife. That's really cool. Here.
Put that. Why? I don't know. Why not?
Now there's more.
If I can get it open.
Well, rip the whole thing.
Yeah, just rip it up.
What? Yours.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Are you kidding?
That's badass.
What?
I said potty mouth word.
What?
That is cool.
Why exactly? Why though?
That's perfect for camping. When you go with your dad, you can whip out, be like, I have my knife. That's a really nice knife. Hold it up. And it's got the little thing right here for your pocket.
Which you'll never use, but whatever. That's huge. That's sharp.
Well, that's better than a little puny
wait.
BB pocket knife.
Oh, that's not that sharp.
Yeah, but that's
Like,
still...
that it's like cardboard paper. We need like a
Well, what does it say on the thing?
I need like something to like cut it with. Here you go, more paper. Oh. That's sharp.
It's very sharp, so be careful, please. Okay, read your...
It's a little bit dull, but...
No, it's not. Let me see this
Perfect
thing. Look at that.
utility tool for those upcoming outdoor trips or home repair tasks. This looks more like a fashion kind of knife. Not like a practical... Because, like, this is, like, really flimsy paper and it kind of... Okay, sometimes it just cuts right through, but, like these ones, it just kind of tears it. And I don't know how to get these back in. Yeah, how exactly? Yeah, how do you get these back in?
I don't know.
I thought you would just push it. I've never had that type of knife before. I would never even use a type of knife like that. It's kind of...
Is there... I don't know. Alright, pull the next thing out.
Alright. Next, we go from knives to magnesium foot soak. As she will try and... Ooh! That's minty!
Oh yeah, it's got eucalyptus in it.
That's like a kick you in the face kind of mint. It's like a vapor rub. That smells great. I don't know. Probably trying to use that tonight. Are you trying to stick into the carpet?
No,
oh
I'm
my
trying
God.
to close it. I don't know how to close it.
She's trying to cut the carpet. She's gone insane. The power's gone to her head.
I don't want to cut myself either, though. I can't close it.
A button. Something.
Oh, there go the dogs.
Yay.
You're going to cut yourself.
Yeah, I can't
Your
wait.
dad will probably know.
Yeah, whatever. Alright, next thing. We have
What
another...
does the card say about the foot soak?
Oh. Foot soak. Infused with magnesium sulfate to treat minor aches and pains. Removes dead skin. Softens calloused feet. And an essential oil blend of lavender, tea tree, and eucalyptus. You got that right.
Keep the card over here.
It's literally in reach. It's in reach, okay? Next we have another brew craft beer invigorating shampoo. It's a detox. Peppermint and caffeine. Ooh.
Does it smell good?
Ooh, that's nice. I like that. I'm gonna use that a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Especially since it's like
shampoo?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Head to toe shampoo, body. Oh, wait, no. That's for this.
Shampoo combo?
No, this is the bar shampoo. This is the bar. Infused with peppermint to refresh and energize all hair. Caffeine for scalp stimulation.
Ooh.
It's like grow your hair out more.
Yeah.
The natural alternative to silicone for daily hair rehab. Ooh. All right, next we have the shampoo. We have the body bar for this instead. I don't know.
So it's a shampoo and body soap combo? Oh, cool.
It's a Lego. It's like charcoal. Is it? Here.
Oh, that smells good. Oh, that's cool.
Crafted to clean hair there and everywhere. Brewed with real beer and age-old remedy for healthy skin. Hair and brimming with B vitamins. That's good.
Yeah, it smells good.
Yeah. Alright. Finally, we have another real thing. Oh, this is shave cream. Ooh. That's what I needed, not butter or aftershave. We have another one of these weird seals on top. Fun. That's good. So this one isn't really supposed to smell really great, but...
Oh, that's cool, though.
Yeah.
That feels really nice. That's super soft.
Smell
oh, put it on your hand.
No, I'll use it tonight. I'll use that.
Oh, okay. Use it tonight. What does it say?
Says... Formulated with key ingredient shea butter. I'm waving the knife around. Oh no. Protect, replenish, and lubricate your skin for the closest possible shave. Transparent with see-through consistency with a calming scent. It's vegan. Ooh.
Very
I
cool.
Still haven't found a way to close the knife. So
we're still trying to figure out how to close the knife.
because this is meant to put in your pocket, but you can't put in your pocket like this or whoop.
I know. Your dad will probably know how to do it. He's the master.
No, this is definitely sharp.
Yeah. Oh well. So what do we think of the box?
Very good. Very nice wood review again. 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
And a knife.
Very cool box. Very good quality. Definitely stuff you're going to use.
Yeah. You know, just thank God.
You're such a dork.
Why would I ever use this knife? I'm going to cut the grass with it.
Oh my gosh.
Instead of the lawnmower, just...
It's definitely something different. When it said a pocket knife, I thought it was going to give like a little.
I thought it was going to be like a razor.
Knife.
I thought it'd be like a
Oh,
razor.
you got a razor before in there.
Yeah, I know. So that's why I expected a razor.
Another razor. Yeah. Well, so on our love it or chuck it list.
Love it.
This is a love it. We definitely like this box. You do, right?
Yes, I love it.
You love it. Get some good things.
Yes.
The value is definitely there. And you're still trying to figure out how to
I'm going to
close it.
figure it out. Simple. It's just easy.
So, we definitely like this box. It's worth the $25 by all means. We will be keeping it, definitely. Please don't break your...
I'm not going to break it.
Or I don't want you to cut your hand off.
I'm going to cut my hand off.
So, that's it. Thanks as always for hanging out with us. We appreciate you.
We appreciate you.
Do you get this box? Have you thought about getting it for, that man in your life? Let me know. I'm definitely curious to know because I definitely give it a double thumbs up. Between my son and my husband, they pretty much use everything that's in here. So, that's it. Thanks as always.
And we will see you guys in the next video.
Yes.
Bye.
Oh, don't forget, giveaways going on. Go check out all the giveaways.
Yes.
We'll put the links up here.
Right here.
Make sure you subscribe. Love ya. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.